Hi, my name's Tom, and I'm here to talk to you about physics A-level revision and how to get the grade you're hoping for from your exam. The first point, and probably the most important, is make sure you'll give yourself enough time. There's students every year who try to cram their whole exam into the last two days before, and while a few of them may do okay, there's often many who don't get the grade they're hoping for. If you decide to give yourself time to do revision, make sure you use this time efficiently. There's no point setting aside an entire day or a few days to do work and then actually spending them on Facebook, on YouTube, or drinking cup of tea after cup of tea. It's far better to actually give yourself short bursts of revision and then breaks in between it. So maybe instead of doing 6 hours of revision with actual messing around in, maybe give yourself an hour or 45 minutes where you block yourself from any distractions, and then give yourselves 10 or 15 minutes afterwards to have a little break, maybe go on Facebook, cup of tea, relax yourself a bit, and then start again. You'll often find that you'll get through the course far quicker this way than just doing brute force 6 hours. So often will work better for you, which means you'll have more free time afterwards, so you can relax more between revision sessions. In the time that you do allocate for revision, use methods that work for you. Different people learn in different ways. So if you're a visual learner, maybe you quite like making a mind map. If you like flashcards, maybe you could make a deck of those and go through those. Or maybe if you like learning through practice, just go through as many questions as you can. Just find whichever way works for you. Different people work in different ways. If you do get stuck on a question or on a concept, there's no point just leaving it. You will have to know it at some point before the exam. There's lots of resources you can use to help you through this. This can be, online, like a video or web forum, or maybe asking a friend or a teacher for help to help you guide you through the concept. Either way, make sure you do ask for help opposed to just leaving it. It won't solve itself. The last point, and maybe almost as important as the first one, is make sure you do pass exam papers. It's no use if you know all the concept but you can't explain them in the way that they mark you for it. So there's often, let's say, people who will make a nice mind map but can't take the knowledge they put into that and put it in the same way in the exam paper. This is the way they'll mark you, what your grade will be based on. So it's the way you have to do it. The best way to do it is to go through a past exam paper, have maybe someone else mark it, because often you'll be biased yourself and give yourself marks what others wouldn't. Then go through the marked paper and find out where you've lost marks. If this is maybe through the concept or of a definition, make sure you go through that part of the course again and learn that again. If it's through the application of maths, try to find out why you've made the mistake. Is it just as simple putting the numbers in the calculator wrong, or maybe you don't understand the equation behind it? Whatever it is, try to improve on that. I hope this has been helpful, and I wish you good luck in your revision.